If you need something to do with your family this holiday, why not make crystal Christmas ornaments? All you're gonna need is some borax, a popsicle stick or something to suspend the crystal from, a heat-proof container like a mason jar, boiling hot water, string, scissors, a spoon or tablespoon or both, and then something for the borax solution to crystallize to. And I have found that pipe cleaners work the best. And then when you're ready to hang your ornament, I have a little ornament hanger here. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is make your ornament. I found that making a geode kind of looks best. You can do stars too, whatever strikes your fancy. And now I'm going to suspend my little shape from the string. Obviously the borax will start crystallizing on the string as well, so make sure to cut any excess. You won't want this to sit on the bottom of your jar, so make sure that the string isn't too long. Suspend! Yay! Since there's enough room in my jar, I'm going to suspend 2 ornaments, but they really shouldn't touch, otherwise they'll crystallize together. They will become a mutant. Getting my mason jar, and for this pint-sized mason jar, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of borax. We're just making a super saturated solution and effectively cramming as much borax into the water as possible so that when you add something solid, like a pipe cleaner, into it, the pipe cleaner will act as the nucleus and the chemicals in the solution will start nucleating on your pipe cleaner. So just adding hot water to my pint glass. Bring a towel. Fill it almost to the top, obviously, be careful. And then just stir it until all of the borax is dissolved. If there's some borax that's not dissolving, that means it's a super saturated solution. There's literally no more water for that borax to dissolve into. So that can actually be an okay thing. Now I'm gonna take my solution and just dippy. Oh yeah, and the trick is sometimes they float. I've gotten around that by using wire and almost like forcing it under the solution, but I don't feel like that today because we're doing our best. You'll start seeing borax crystals on your ornaments within about 3 hours, but I would give it at least 6 hours before you take them out. You can always do this at night, and then at breakfast you can check out your little ornaments. I can't talk about borax crystal Christmas ornaments without talking about the fact that borax is a naturally occurring mineral. There it is. I mean, that looks like something you'd put in your washing machine, let's be real. It's a monoclinic mineral, which basically means it's a slightly squished rectangle. And it can be colorless, white, yellow, or bluish. And it's very soft. You'll be able to actually cut it with your own fingernail. It usually occurs in the waters of saline lakes and in salt pans in desert regions. In both cases, derived from solar evaporation of saline waters. So even though this mineral is found in nature, when you get your crystal Christmas ornament out of your jar, it will be a synthetic mineral because it's man-made or woman-made. It's you made. You made it. Therefore, it's not a real mineral. It's synthetic. You synthesized it. If you end up making crystal Christmas ornaments with your family, tell me how it went, because I really enjoy doing this with my friends. I invited some mom friends over and we just chatted and drank coffee and made crystal Christmas ornaments. It was very therapeutic. I also really enjoy doing this with my kiddos, and they ask to do it all the time now.